Every month, we engineer hundreds of new parts that solve common automotive problems. This month, we're proud to release 328 new aftermarket solutions, including many that simplify repairs and improve on original manufacturer designs. This month's featured OE fix is an exclusive exhaust gas temperature EGT sensor for popular Chevrolet Express and GMC Savannah cargo vans from 2016 to 2011. The original EGT sensor corrodes over time from exhaust heat and then breaks off inside the exhaust bung when removed. When this failure occurs, the dealer requires an expensive replacement of the entire exhaust pipe. We've addressed the OE problem by providing a cost savings advantage, which allows you to replace the mounting bung instead of replacing the exhaust pipe to repair the broken EGT sensor inside the mounting bung. Another OE fix we're debuting this month is an exclusive HVAC heater hose assembly. The original heater hose assembly typically fails due to corrosion and cracks in the plastic construction, which eventually leads to coolant leaks and loss of pressure. We fixed that OE failure by upgrading the hose material to steel for a reliable extended service life. Also available this month is a new nylon fuel line repair kit that includes all the professional, quality-made tools and parts needed to get fuel line repairs done quickly and efficiently. This 83-piece repair tech tray features an exclusive tool for 45-degree, 90-degree, and 180-degree connectors. Plus, it saves time and money by repairing only the damaged section, which means no more difficult manipulation of entire fuel lines. Our growing category of windshield washer hoses now offers expanded coverage for over 1 million Ford Super Duty pickup trucks from 2016 to 2011. Over time, the original hose cracks due to age and weather exposure and causes windshield washer fluid leaks. To address this issue, we used premium rubber material for increased durability and longer service life. For a complete installation, 2 alternate connectors are included. These are just a handful of this month's innovations. We also have our 5 ignition lock cylinders, more than 35 replacement mirror glass, and 55 coolant thermostat housings for a variety of popular vehicles on the road today. To make sure you never go to the dealer if you don't have to, sign up for our monthly new product announcement emails at dormanproducts.com. You can also always check out our new product feed page. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to sharing more innovative solutions with you next month.